Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share my top 5 nude lipsticks with you all. So I am a huge hoarder of nude lipsticks and I hope you guys are too. And finding that perfect nude lipstick that you can wear every day to your college or work or just with this smoky eye look is so important. And so I've tried to include one lipstick that will suit all of the skin types and तो मैंने लाइट स्किन टोन हो, मीडियम स्किन टोन हो या डार्क स्किन टोन हो, आप सबके लिए आपको वो एक लिपस्टिक इस वीडियो में ज़रूर मिलेगी. So yes, let's get the video started and let's dive right into it. So this is the very first lipstick that I'm wearing. This lipstick is Desert Rose and this is from Chambord. I absolutely love this lipstick. This lipstick is my go-to lipstick. Like whenever I have to step out of the house, just go anywhere and बहुत ही nude सा lipstick लगाना है. So this is my pick. This lipstick is a little bit drying, so I would say जिनके भी lips बहुत ज़्यादा dry है, आप ज़रूर उसे moisturize कर लीजिए with the help of a lip balm, and then you can apply this lipstick. This lipstick stays on the lips easily for 4 to 5 hours and तो काफ़ी long lasting है और जब ये lipstick उतर भी जाती है, it leaves a very beautiful stain. This lipstick will definitely suit light skin tones जिनका मेरे जैसा skin tone है उन पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Medium skin tone पे भी ये काफ़ी अच्छा लग सकता है. But dark skin tone, I would say it will slightly wash you out. But yeah, so anyone who has my skin tone or shade or two darker, it'll look very beautiful. So this is the second lipstick. This lipstick is called Jane. It is from the Nykaa's lipstick collection. This is a perfect brownie nude color, especially medium to dark skin tones पे lipstick बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेगी. This lipstick is also a little drying, तो आप moisturize ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा अपने lips को lip balm से and then apply this lipstick. So this lipstick does transfer a bit. I hope you can see it. थोड़ा सा transfer होता है, but still lips पे 4 to 5 hours तक आराम से रह जाता है. And even if you're eating something, 2 to 3 hours it will sit on the lips. It is a beautiful color and yeah, so medium to dark skin tones, please try this. It is an amazing lipstick and I'm just saying that you will not regret it. It's just super good. So this is the third lipstick. This lipstick is Coffee Light and this is by the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. And I love this lipstick. You know, whenever I'm wearing like heavy smoky eyes or I've done like really heavy makeup, this is like the perfect lipstick to go for. And especially medium to dark skin tones के लिए बहुत अच्छा nude color होगा and you can definitely try it. It's amazing. This lipstick also stays on the lips for around 4 to 5 hours and even निकलने के बाद बहुत अच्छा stain छोड़ती है lipstick. So this lipstick is not at all drying, बहुत comfortable है lips पे. This is one of the best combinations of matte lipsticks that I've tried. This lipstick doesn't transfer at all, so it is 100% transfer proof. काफ़ी देर तक आपके lips पे रहती है and it's just a beautiful color. So I think all of the skin tones के लिए this color is going to be flattering. You can see मेरी skin type पे भी अच्छी लग रही है and medium and dark skin tones पे भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी lipstick. So if you don't own this lipstick, guys, just rush to the store and buy this one. Buy it online, whatever, but it's just an amazing color. So this is the fourth lipstick. It's a very beautiful coral color and this lipstick is from the Miss Claire lipstick collection and this is a very nice moussey texture and I love this color. It's very different from the usual matte lipsticks. It's not very brown, it's not one of those very pinky nudes. It's a very coral color. It looks a little orangey and that's why I love this lipstick. So yeah, I mean if you're looking for an option which is very affordable और lips से बहुत अच्छी लगती है, so you can go for this lipstick. It will suit light to medium skin tones the most. Darker skin tones को ये color definitely wash out करेगा, but for fair and medium skin tones, this lipstick is amazing. So it does take around 5 minutes for this lipstick to set and once this lipstick sets तब ये आराम से आपके lips पे 2 to 3 hours तक रह जाएगी and this lipstick does transfer but if you're not eating something and if you have just gone out of the house and you're not eating any food, it will stay on your lips for a long time. So this is the last lipstick. This lipstick is from the Lakme 9 to 5 collection, and the color is called Blush Velvet. I love this lipstick. I've been using this lipstick since the past 2 to 3 years. काफ़ी bottles मैं खाली कर चुकी हूँ इस lipstick की. So people who have my skin color या a shade or two darker, this lipstick will look like a perfect nude, my lips but better kind of a color, and I love it. So guys, these were my top 5 nude lipsticks, and I hope that for every skin color I have shown you a lipstick that will completely suit you. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.